Hello everybody, Aaron from Victory Glass. Today we've got an exciting new product that we'd like to show you for Rock-Ola jukeboxes. Some of the best Rock-Olas were the Tempo, Tempo 2, Regis, and Empress models. Unfortunately though, they have a very common problem, and that is the mechanical pinbank unit, which is responsible for storing the selections that you make from the keyboard. The problem is that the original pinbanks are mechanical, of course, and therefore they get sticky, lubrication, things drop into them, and they don't function the way they should. And then what ends up happening is you make a selection, the mechanism goes around, nothing happens. It times out and stops. And that's a very common problem. And to make it worse, servicing them is extremely complicated on these machines because you have to rip the whole front of the mechanism apart to get it out, and then after that you've got a major job disassembling it, with a million pieces laying everywhere, and they're tough to get back together as well. So at Victory Glass, we've come up with the solution. And that solution is what we call our TRE memory unit. It stands for Tempo, Regis, Empress. As the name implies, this will work with Tempo 1 or 2, Regis, and Empress models. The way it works is instead of relying on mechanical pins, we install a code wheel on the back of the mechanism that uses optical sensors to determine the mechanism's position. Then we use that to determine what selections need to be played. The best part is it's all plug and play. You don't have to rip anything off the mechanism. You just unplug the original frog unit, a contact block that travels along the pin bank. You just unplug that from the back, mount the new sensors, plug in a couple other plugs, and you're ready to go. So let's show you how it works. Okay, so here we have two 1496, that would be the Empress 120 machines. They're identical, except this one is equipped with our solid state replacement, our T2RE solid state amplifier with Bluetooth and Juke Talk. This one is equipped with the original tube amplifier. So that part is irrelevant, you can run either or. But one advantage is the new TRE unit has a built-in stepper. And that means with our Juke Talk amplifier, you can use that to make remote selections from the Juke Talk app. Installation of the TRE unit is very simple. To start, we mount the code wheel here on the rear of the mechanism. There's 8 screws to remove, and you mount the code wheel in place. And then over here is a sensor bracket that determines the mechanism position and home position. At the bottom of the cabinet is where the control unit is placed. This is where you connect the Jones plug for the keyboard, you connect the sensors, you connect the control box and power. And this is also where you'll connect either a wall box or the Juke Talk interface as well. Now we'll go ahead and make a selection and show you how it works. You'll see the display on the TRE unit currently shows all zeros. Now that indicates that the mechanism is at the home position. And the display is used for two other purposes. First, when you make a selection, the selection that you've made shows on the display for a period of 5 seconds. And then it also shows the current mechanism position as well. So let's go ahead and make a selection here. I'm going to press selection A6, which is selection number 101 in the sequence of the machine. And there it is, found selection 101. One other great capability that our TRE unit gives you is a diagnostic capability. So you can switch the mechanism off and make selections on the keyboard and watch the display. And therefore it can help you pinpoint if you've got keyboard issues, if it's showing an incorrect selection number. You can use this as a tool to help you locate and solve those problems, whether it's a dirty contact on the keyboard, problem with the pricing unit, or one of the pricing switches, or whatever the problem may be. The TRE unit can help you solve those problems as well. So that's how the system works. We solved the problem the same way Rock-Ola did. This is exactly the method that they switched to in the 1970s as soon as optical technology was available for them as well. So let's talk about some of the other features you get with the TRE unit other than just making the machine more reliable. The big thing is that this incorporates a built-in stepper. So if you want to be able to interface a wall box or the Juke Talk solid state amplifier for remote selections, you no longer need to source a stepper for your Rock-Ola. as those were optional and they're very hard to find and rather expensive when you can find one. So the TRE unit has a built-in wall box stepper, and it also has our optional wireless wall box system as well. So you can wirelessly connect a wall box to your machine, and it doesn't even need to be a Rock-Ola wall box. It can be any manufacturer, which is part of our wireless wall box system that you can learn about in some of our other videos. So that's all supported by the TRE unit. We also have an autoplay feature, and so when you turn the autoplay timer on, after a predetermined amount of idle time, the machine will automatically kick in and play a random selection. You can adjust that in 5-minute increments. You can have it play a song every 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, all the way up to 75 minutes. So between songs when the mechanism is idle, it will kick in and play a random selection for you. We also have our first in, first out feature, where when that feature is enabled, instead of playing the songs in the order that it encounters them as the basket turns, it will play the songs in the order that you selected them, entered them on the keyboard. So that's a cool feature. We also have a random feature that you can enable. When you turn random mode on, the very last 2 selections in the jukebox, so on a 120 Empress, those would be U6 and V6. When random mode is turned on, those last 2 selections control the function. So if I press U6, instead of playing U6, it plays just one random selection. It just randomly picks something for you. If you turn continuous random on, that's the other feature that's part of the random option. That is the very last selection, V6. So when you hit V6, it goes into a continuous random mode. So it will play a song. As soon as that song is done, it picks something else random and then plays it. Just plays continuously until you turn it off by pressing V6 again. So those are the 2 features that you get when you turn on the random option. So in closing, we specifically developed this product to address this very common problem on the Tempo, Regis, and Empress jukeboxes from Rock-Ola. The pinbank issue has been a long-standing problem, and most people just deal with it because of the complication of tearing down the pinbank and getting at it first and then tearing it down. So with our system, again, there's no permanent modifications to your machine. The pinbank stays in place. You just simply unplug a cable, connect it up to our unit, install the sensors, and you're good to go. You'll have a machine that selects more reliably than ever, and all the other great new features that come with it. So thanks for watching. Take care.